Welcome to Classic Klondike Solitaire. Today, we are going to learn how to solve this puzzle right here. If you'd like, go ahead and hit pause and just give yourself a minute to look it over. Okay, I trust you've had some time to look at this. What we have in front of us here is a bunch of different cards, and the 8 of diamonds doesn't go up, the 10 of spades doesn't go up, the 8 of spades doesn't go up, neither does the 7 of the spades or 6 of spades. What we would like to do is get one of these piles out of the way. In order to do that, we have to move cards around. If you'll notice, there's a 7 of spades, and there's 2 red 8s. So we can put the 7 of spades under either red 8. If you'll notice, there's a 7 of hearts right here. That means we probably want to put it under the 8 of diamonds. If we do that, that opens up the 8 of hearts to go up top, right there. Now, the next logical choice would be the 8 of clubs, which is right here. We have 2 8s. We have this 8 of spades right here. The key is the 7 of diamonds and 6 of spades right here. We're going to move that over here under the 8 of spades, which allows us to put this 8 of clubs up top. It then allows us to do the 9 of clubs, and furthermore, it allows us to take this 8 of spades and this pile right here and move it under the 9 of diamonds, which opens up the 5 of spades right there, which we can put up top. We can also move these cards as well, and that's going to open up quite a bit for us, actually, because now we can just keep pushing these cards out, and voila, this card right here can go up top, and that will pretty much solve the puzzle for us right there. And of course, that is going to wrap this video up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching, and good luck.